Right now, Marco is adjusting the chain. He just replaced the rear tire and is just wanting to make sure that the chain tension is proper.
Now, a lot of guys, when they do this, will count how many stripes. Can you see the stripes?
Yeah.
They will count how far back one side is, and they will go to the other side and match it to there and call it good. But that's mediocre. As I can tell from the get-go, this one's already 2.5 out. I hardly even moved that one. Actually, and I moved this one like, what, 5 or 6 times already, and I'm just now where the other one was. Which tells me this tire was way crooked to begin with. But we're getting close. Let me put it back on the ground here. That's much better, even maybe a little bit loose still. Yeah, I've got them pretty close. What I'm going to do now, I'll just use this because I have it handy. I usually put it up on my jack, but because I've been changing a tire or something on it. But for the sake of the video, I'll just do this a lot quicker. Now I'll spin it and I'll look and see where the chain sprocket is riding inside the chain. And I can see here, it may be hard to tell, but looking down here, you can see that the tooth of the sprocket is way over here on the left, and up here it's just barely on the left.
Yep.
That means the tire is just a little bit this way.
Okay.
And I want to straighten it out a little bit because I like the tension of the chain. I'm going to move the right side forward a little bit, just a tiny bit. Roll it forward again. Now you can see that the teeth are riding in the same exact spot all the way up. I like that. That looks good. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the middle, so long as it's in the same everywhere. Does that make sense?
Yep.
I'll snug these up.
If anyone has any questions about this process, just leave a comment and I'll get a response to you.
I like to put them back on the ground and give it a little bounce. Double check my chain. Have a look at this. You probably weren't aware. Your chain is a little bit dry. I can tell because it's keeping its shape when I bend it. Can you see that?
Yeah, I can.
So we'll lube that before we go anywhere else. I will do that right now. If y'all ever watched that video of the guy cleaning his chain with the engine running, yeah, let's not do that. That's it. I like to wipe the excess off so it doesn't end up on the client's motorcycle. This bike will be done.
And that's the process of adjusting a chain.